I am delighted to be here with you today to talk about incredibly important topic, kidney health. Have you ever wondered how you can naturally improve the health of your kidneys? Well, you are in the right place because today I am going to share with you the best natural drinks for your kidney health. First, let's understand why kidney health is so crucial. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering our harmful substance from our bodies. But what can you do to support these hard-working organs and keep them in excellent condition? The answer lies in the beverages you choose to consume. Many of us are well hydrated, but the problem lies in the source of our hydration. Often we reach for drinks that are laden with hidden sugars such as juices, sweet tea or soda. These choices can increase our risk of obesity, diabetes and high blood pressure, which are leading factors contributing to kidney disease. So what can we do to replace these sugary beverages with healthier options that promote kidney health? Lemon juice. Lemon juice stands out for its high citrate content. Citrate, a compound found abundantly in lemon juice, plays a pivotal role in preventing the formation of kidney stones, especially calcium oxalate stones. This happens because citrate binds to calcium ions in the urine, reducing the availability of calcium for stone formation. Moreover, despite its acidic taste, lemon juice has an alkalizing effect once metabolized in the body. Lemon juice is elevating urine pH levels and decreasing the risk of certain types of kidney stones such as uric acid stones. Lemon juice also boosts significant antioxidant properties, primarily due to its high vitamin C content. Antioxidants are invaluable in combating oxidative stress, which can harm kidney cells over time. Lemon juice can serve as a gentle diuretic, stimulating increased urine production when consumed in moderation. Lemon juice contains compounds like flavonoids that exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. This anti-inflammatory potently may aid in shedding kidney tissues from damage. Black coffee. Black coffee is a rich source of antioxidants including chlorogenic acid, which plays a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress within the body. Additionally, caffeine in the black coffee contributes to improve blood flow, ensuring the kidneys receive a steady supply of oxygen and nitrates, which is vital for their optimal functioning. Black coffee's mild diuretic effect can help eliminate excess sodium and waste products from the body. Potently issues like fluid retention, however, it's essential to consume coffee in moderation to avoid dehydration. Moreover, moderate coffee consumption may lower the risk of kidney stone formation. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice can positively impact kidney health through various ways. Its high nitrate content converted to nitric oxide in the body may contribute to improved blood vessels dilation and blood pressure regulation, essential for maintaining kidney function. Additionally, beetroot's potent antioxidants such as betalain and beta-cyan help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, potently protecting the kidney from damage. The presence of betaine in beets further support liver function, aiding in detoxification process that indirectly benefit the kidney. These combined effects make beetroot a valuable addition to a kidney-friendly diet, promoting cardiovascular health and providing potential protective measures against oxidative damage and inflammation in the kidney. Cranberry juice. It contains compound called proanthocyanins. Cranberry juice has this cool superpower that make it harder for pesky bacteria to stick around in your urinary tract. Cranberry juice may indirectly support kidney health. Additionally, cranberry juice has antioxidant properties which can help combat inflammation and oxidative stress that may contribute to kidney damage. It's important to consume cranberry juice in moderation and choose varieties with lower sugar content, as excessive sugar intake can have adverse effect on overall health, including kidney function. Green tea. Green tea offers a refreshing sip with potently benefits for kidney health. Packed with antioxidants, particularly catechins, green tea may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, factors linked to kidney damage. Its compounds have been associated with a lower risk of chronic kidney disease and may aid in protecting the dilute structure of the kidney. Additionally, green tea has demonosaturated potential in regulating blood pressure, a crucial factor in maintaining kidney function. Have you chosen any of the drink option mentioned above? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.